Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I am thrifting at the Goodwill. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Amen. So now all of the thrift stores normally that I go to here, first of all, there's Goodwills all over the place and all of them are stocked. It's just amazing, guys. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you at the end. Now remember that if there's a certain area of the thrift store that you want me to record, just let me know. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.